Good morning, dear students. This is a revision video of chapter 2, classification of plants. Today we will going to do some important differentiate between the following. So number 1 differences is difference between parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So you have to learn these differences from table 1.1, which is given in page number 4. So you have to learn according to the parameters given. Suppose characteristics. So you have to learn what is the characteristics of parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Same way in point number 2, location. Where is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma exactly located? And number 3 is function. The function of parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Difference 2 is difference between xylem and phloem. So number 1 difference is of xylem is transport water and minerals absorbed from the roots to other plants, and phloem, it conducts food manufactured in the leaves to other parts of the plants. Second number under xylem, it is mainly consists of dead cell, whereas phloems are living cells. Third number, xylem conduct water in unidirectional, whereas phloem conducts minerals upward and downward from leaves to other parts of the plants. The third difference between is gymnosperms and angiosperms. Gymnosperms are mostly woody trees, whereas angiosperms can be herbs, shrubs and trees. Gymnosperms fruits and flowers are absent, whereas fruits and flowers are present in angiosperms. Gymnosperms having naked seeds which are not enclosed in a fruit, whereas angiosperms bear seeds enclosed in a fruit. Gymnosperms' reproductive structures are unisexual cones that bears the seeds, like pine and kedar, whereas angiosperms' reproductive structures are unisexual or bisexual flowers, for example, grass sugar, mango tree, etc. The fourth difference is the difference between algae and fungi. Chlorophyll is present in algae, whereas chlorophyll is absent in fungi. Second point, photosynthesis organisms synthesize their own food, whereas fungus are heterotrophic organisms. They usually living on dead and decaying organic matter, and they are saprophytes. Third point of algae is they are mostly aquatic, found in fresh as well as in marine water, whereas fungus are mostly terrestrial. Number 4 point, the body of the algae are not differentiated into roots, stems and leaves, whereas fungus body structure is composed of thread-like structures called hyphae, like agaricus and penicillium. Now the last is the difference between monocotyledon and dicotyledon plants. Monocotyledon plants have seeds with single cotyledon, whereas dicots have two cotyledons. In monocotyledonous plants, they have parallel venation, whereas dicot leaves have reticulate venation. The monocot plants have fibrous root system, whereas dicot plant have taproot system. Monocots have stem which are usually hollow in nature, like rice and grass, whereas dicot have stems which mostly they are solid in nature, for example pea and rose. So students, that's all in today's video. Meet you in next video with some more topics. Thank you and have a nice day.